I'm Sharon and welcome to KG.
Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to make Korean-style chickpea salad with kimchi that's all plant-based. And the Korean name would be kimchi 병아리콩 샐러드. 병아리콩 being the chickpeas. You know, before I became vegan, I used to make tuna salad with kimchi, and I thought, why not make it with chickpeas? And it's so easy to make and so delicious. And I'm also going to show you how to make avocado flour sandwich using this kimchi chickpea salad. So keep on watching and let's get started. It's quite simple to make kimchi chickpea salad itself. You just need some cooked chickpeas. You can use either home cooked or canned ones, fermented vegan kimchi, vegan mayo. I'm using tofu mayo that's oil-free. I'll put the recipe for it in the description box below. That's essentially it, but I also like to add some black pepper and chopped green onions. You could use onions instead, but green onions go a little bit better with kimchi. And toasted sesame oil is totally optional, but it makes it taste so much better in my opinion. That's it for the salad. And for the open sandwich, one slice of bread of your choice. I'm using Ezekiel bread, which is sprouted whole grains loaf. This was recommended by one of my dear subscribers, and I love it so much, so thank you. You also need avocado, mini cucumber, and sweet and sour gochujang, which I will show you how to make towards the end of this video. So for the salad, add a cup of cooked chickpeas to a mixing bowl. And we're gonna mash it. I'm using a potato masher, but you could use a fork or back of a spoon or whatever works for you. It doesn't need to be finely mashed. Then we're gonna add the kimchi without the juice and chop it up using your kitchen scissors, like so. If your kimchi is too aged, you can give it a quick rinse, but I usually don't bother. And how finely you want to chop it is up to you. Then we're gonna add vegan mayo. I've added 2 tablespoons and give it a quick mix to see the consistency, to see if it's too wet or too dry. Two tablespoons of vegan mayo is usually good for 1 cup of cooked chickpeas. Okay, this is perfect. We're gonna add the black peppers, the sesame oil, and chopped green onions. And mix it up again. And you can give it a taste to see if it's salty enough, but the saltiness from the vegan mayo and kimchi makes it perfect for me. And that's it for the salad. This is how I make my sweet and sour gochujang or chogochujang these days. So add 1 tablespoon of liquid aminos, or it's called liquid soy in Canada. You can use other soy sauce of your choice. 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. 1 tablespoon of gochujang. 1 tablespoon of pine nuts. You can use any other nuts of your choice or sesame seeds even. 2 pitted medjool dates and 2 to 3 tablespoons of water. I'm using 3 tablespoons today. And we're gonna blend it. And there you have chogochujang with no oil or sugar. It's a good dipping sauce for your vegetables, or salad dressing, sauce for bibimbap or bibimbap. Okay, so for the sandwich, I like to add some cucumber for nice crunchy texture. You could use any kind of cucumber, but mini ones are usually crunchier. We're gonna slice it lengthwise, like so. And we're gonna slice the avocado. We only need half. That's good. And we're gonna peel it. And we're gonna slice it thinly, like so. This is probably about 2 to 3 millimeters thin. If it's too ripe, it's gonna be easier to stick to your knife, apparently. Take your time. Okay. And we're gonna line it up like so, and sort of roll it into a flower shape. Like so. Something like this. Right. And to transfer it onto the sandwich later, you can use a scraper like so. Easy. Here I have a slice of bread that's been toasted already. So put a layer of cucumbers, like so. And then the kimchi chickpea salad as desired, but I'm putting half a cup here. And then we're gonna transfer the avocado flour. Whoop. Like so. And I'm gonna put a little bit more chickpea salad on top, like so. And drizzle it with sweet and sour gochujang. And serve. Okay, our avocado flour sandwich with kimchi chickpea salad is ready. And it's looking so pretty. Am I gonna taste it? Of course I am. Whoop. 잘 먹겠습니다. I don't know where to begin, guys. The softness from the avocados and then the crunchy texture from the kimchi and cucumbers and all the different flavors are so well blended together. And this chogochujang is a winner. You have to try this, guys. And if you don't want to bother with the avocado flour thing, just forget it. You can just add them in whatever shape or form you like. But you know, it's a nice treat for yourself sometimes to have it looking pretty. And you get to have it with your eyes first, you know. This kimchi chickpea salad is very versatile. You can put it in a wrap or kimbap or even bibimbap or just have it as a side dish, banchan. So yeah, this is avocado flour sandwich with kimchi chickpea salad. I hope you enjoyed my recipe today. Thank you for watching and I hope to see you again next time. Bye! I don't know where to begin, guys. Right, Choco? If you make it pretty. And it's a nice treat for yourself. It's a nice treat for yourself sometimes.